Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to connect WooCommerce to Zapier. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So you want to go ahead and log in if you've not already, and after doing so successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where in the left side screen you can find all the sections for managing your store like home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So first things first guys, then we want to do is open up the WooCommerce option right here at the left side screen, and after opening up WooCommerce, it's going to enable us to go ahead and either start a new store if you do not already have one, and if you already have a store, you can go ahead and get started managing it from here. So let's now go ahead and get started connecting Zapier. All we have to do is go into the plugins option right here at the left side screen. Go ahead and open up plugins. By opening up plugins, it's going to open up this plugins store where we can take a look at all the plugin marketplace plugins we can use, and the search bar at the top of the screen where we can go and search for Zapier. So searching for the application is going to give us this option right here guys, which is the plugin by official Zapier, where we can go ahead and get started with installing it to our WooCommerce store. So all we have to do is just click the install button that's going to appear right here. Currently I'm on a free plan, so I cannot install it, but just click the install button, and after successfully installing it guys, you'll be able to access it within your WooCommerce option right here, and by accessing it you can go ahead and automate your tasks. So it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.